Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to use the Midjourney web version in 2026. So, if you want to create AI-generated images directly from your browser without relying on other platforms, this guide will help you get started. First, open the Midjourney website and sign in to your account. Make sure you're using the correct account with access to image generation features. Once you're logged in, take a moment to explore the web interface. You'll typically find areas for creating prompts, viewing generated images, and managing your projects. As you continue using the web version, experiment with different prompts, styles, and settings to improve the quality of your results. If needed, revisit your previous creations through the Gallery or History section, where you can manage and organize your generated images. Finally, save your favorite images and keep refining your prompt writing skills. So, the more you practice, the better your Midjourney results will become. And that's it. That's how to use the Midjourney web version in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.